Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is another tutorial video, and in this video we're gonna take a look at how to fix Snapchat camera zoomed in. So when you open up Snapchat, your camera is automatically zoomed in. You could try out the fixes that I'm going to show you in this video, but before you get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel because we post similar videos like this on a regular basis. And in order to not miss videos, make sure you also turn on the notification. So the first thing you can do to fix this problem is to update the app of Snapchat. Head over to Play Store and search for Snapchat. If there is an update, make sure you update the app because these kind of problems are caused mainly because there are some kind of bugs in the system, and updating apps remove these kind of bugs. So make sure you tap on update and update your application of Snapchat. The next thing you can do is open up your Snapchat app, and from the home screen of Snapchat you can tap on your profile icon on the top left, and from here tap on the settings icon. Here if you scroll down, you'll need to tap on lenses, which should be under privacy control. Tap on that, and here you'll need to clear the local lens data. So simply tap on this option and tap on clear, and again tap on clear all lens data and tap on clear. After you do these steps, you should be able to easily use your camera without it being zoomed in. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and thank you all for watching.